We were doing like 25,000 pieces a week. Now we got up to 40 to 45,000, double what we were without the automation. We started in 1985. Dad was working at Jayco at the time, so they wanted to have some cabinet doors made. He asked guys if he could make that. They said, yeah, he can. So we started building cabinet doors, and kind of where we got started. We build up from there. But our main goal is to be prompt on our deliveries and service. If they call, if they want something, that's what we want to do. Got a new panel saw, definitely efficient for the employees. They like it a lot better than the other saw. Before we had the machine, we had an arm saw. The guy always had to pull the saw down and put all his pieces on there with, man will handle it. Now he just slides it off the bundle, and it's just a lot easier than it was. It's going to really help our production as far as time-wise and also yield-wise. Before we had the spray lines, we did it all by hand. The biggest challenge we had to have a finish that dries fast enough so we can scuff it and put another coat on it, because it was short time, to get it from one end to the next. Spraying part of it was not always the same, either too thick or too thin, or millage was not right. And dry spray, we got 6 spray machines as of now. And they're working out great. They don't have to be in the booth smelling all that overspray or that fumes and stuff. Stiles would be a good recommendation. Definitely help us learn the equipment, and the throughput really made that easier for us. And we had a good experience with Stiles.